The Wallke X3 PRO MAX electric bike is a high-performance dual-motor folding e-mountain bike that blends power, endurance, and advanced technology for the ultimate riding experience. Designed for serious adventurers and daily riders alike, this e-bike combines 1500W dual brushless motors, a massive 48 volts 44Ah lithium battery, and a robust 26-inch fat tire frame, giving you exceptional control and performance across all terrains. With integrated app control, hydraulic brakes, and a foldable aluminum design, the X3 PRO MAX stands as one of the most advanced and versatile electric bikes in its class. Unmatched power and dual motor performance. The Wallke X3 PRO MAX features dual 750W brushless hub motors, total output 1500W, delivering powerful torque and acceleration whether you're climbing steep hills, riding off-road trails, or cruising city streets. The dual drive system allows seamless switching between rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive, and dual motor mode, letting you tailor power output to your environment and energy needs. With this setup, the X3 PRO MAX achieves a top speed of up to 60 to 70 km per hour, 37 to 43 miles per hour, and exceptional hill climbing capability of up to 35 degrees, offering pure confidence on any surface, from asphalt to sand, snow, or mountain trails. Massive 48 volts 44Ah long-range battery. Equipped with an industry-leading 48 volts 44Ah lithium battery, the X3 PRO MAX provides an unprecedented range of up to 160 to 200 kilometers, 99 to 124 miles, per charge in pedal assist mode. The battery uses high-density lithium cells for optimal energy output, long life, and stability, ensuring extended rides without range anxiety. The removable dual battery system allows convenient charging. You can charge directly on the bike or remove the pack for home or office charging. With a 6 to 8 hour full charge time, it's ready for long expeditions or daily commutes. Premium 26-inch fat tire design. The X3 PRO MAX is fitted with 26x 4.0-inch all-terrain fat tires that provide unbeatable traction, comfort, and shock absorption. Whether you're riding on city roads, gravel, mud, snow, or sand, these tires ensure a stable and confident ride. Combined with dual hydraulic suspension and a lockable front fork, the bike delivers exceptional comfort, handling, and durability even on the roughest terrains. Folding frame. Strength meets portability. Despite its rugged build, the 6061 aluminum alloy folding frame allows easy storage and transport. In just seconds, the bike folds to fit inside cars, offices, or apartments, making it a perfect companion for urban commuters or travelers who want both power and portability. The frame supports up to 180 kilograms, 397 pounds, of load capacity while maintaining excellent balance and rigidity. Smart app control and LCD display. The Wallke X3 PRO MAX comes with intelligent app connectivity, allowing you to pair your smartphone via Bluetooth for advanced control. With the app, you can track ride statistics, speed, distance, power usage, unlock the bike remotely, set riding modes and speed limits, monitor battery health and temperature. Additionally, the color LCD display provides real-time riding data including speed, battery level, assist mode, and distance traveled. Hydraulic braking and safety lighting. For powerful and precise braking, the X3 PRO MAX is equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes that offer responsive stopping power even at high speeds or on steep slopes. The bike includes a bright LED headlight, rear brake light, and reflective sidewalls for enhanced night visibility and safety. 3 riding modes for versatility. The bike offers 3 intelligent riding modes to adapt to any situation. Pedal assist mode, PA, boosts your pedaling power with motor assistance. Pure electric mode. Ride effortlessly using throttle-only power. Manual mode. Ride as a traditional mountain bike for exercise or to conserve battery. Switching between modes is seamless via the handlebar control or app, allowing total customization of your riding experience. Ergonomic and comfort features. Adjustable seat height for riders 160 to 200 centimeters tall. Anti-slip handlebars for comfort and control. Wide padded saddle designed for long-distance comfort. Rear rack compatibility for carrying luggage or gear. These features make the Wallke X3 PRO MAX perfect for both city commuting and long off-road adventures.